Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, pag-uusapan natin is about critical numbers. And first things first is ano nga ba ang critical numbers, no? So basically, critical numbers ay mga numbers na kung saan sila yung mga candidates natin para maging relative extrema. So either relative minimum or relative maximum ng isang function. And we have here a four-step method kung paano makakakuha ng critical numbers ng isang function f. Okay? So the first step is check the domain of f. Okay? So importante na we check the domain ng f para malaman natin kung hanggang saan lang ba yung bounds ng ating function. Okay? So second is we get the first derivative of our function. So f prime of x. And then, anong gagawin natin sa f prime of x? So, ang gagawin natin is, we will solve for f prime of x is equal to 0 and f prime of x is equal to undefined. Okay? So, importante na 0 and undefined kasi yun yung mga values na potentially na maging relative minimum or relative maximum ng ating graph. No? Kasi, kung isipin mo, kung meron kang derivative ng isang function na equal sa 0, then so probably yung lugar na yun ay merong change kung increasing or decreasing yung function, no? So for example, if you have a generic function, 'di ba? Ganyan, tapos ito yung point kung saan the derivative of x is equal to 0, then meron kang change from increasing to decreasing, no? So probably merong point somewhere here kung saan ito yung magiging maximum. Tama? Then bakit naman f prime of x is equal to undefined, no? Pwede rin naman kasi na magkaroon ka ng something like this kung saan hindi siya defined at some point pero yun yung magiging relative maximum mo. Okay? And lastly, kapag ka na-solve na natin yung values for x kung saan f prime of x is equal to 0 and f prime of x is equal to undefined, ang last na kailangan natin gawin, and this is a very crucial and important part na lagi nakakalimutan natin, is to check if yung critical numbers natin ay nasa domain ng f. Okay? So, hindi natin pwede maging critical number ang isang number kung wala siya dun sa domain ng ating function. Okay? So, ito yung four-step method natin kung paano makahanap ng critical numbers, and we would be applying this to our future examples. Okay? So, see you in the next video.